Here's how to fix Snapchat if it's not opening. Now, if you're trying to open up the Snapchat app or watch snaps, you're opening up snaps and they're just not working. Maybe it's crashing on you or just not loading. I'm going to walk you through steps to get that fixed. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is just swipe up on your phone and make sure you close out of the app and try to open it up again. Sometimes just quitting out of it, completely quitting out of it, and then opening it again will fix the issue. The next thing we're going to do is hop into a web browser and we're just going to type in is Snapchat down. And we're going to go to down detector here. We're basically checking to see if it's not working because there's a bug or glitch in the Snapchat servers. So if you see a huge reported outages, then you basically need to wait until they get that fixed. It's usually within a few hours, everything is up and running and fixed. If this isn't an issue, the next step that we're going to do is hop into your settings. And then we're going to tap on General and iPhone Storage. Now, if you're not on an iPhone, you're on Android, you're going to clear the cache, delete the app, and reinstall the app. So I'm going to just find Snapchat on this list and I'm going to hit offload this app and just reinstall it. A lot of times, if your Snapchat app is not opening or working properly, just offloading it and reinstalling it clears out any kind of bugs, clears out the cache, all of that stuff, and updates it to the latest version. And that a lot of times fixes any kind of issues. So once that's done installing the fresh new copy, then you should be able to open it and basically the snap should work, your messages should work, everything should work as normal. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below and I'll catch you on the next one.